So you use your pin, secure it very well. When you're done securing it, you start sewing with your needle and thread. As you keep sewing, you remove your pin from that sewn part. Remove your pin from that sewn part. Then you keep sewing till you get to the end of your work. So now I'm done. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'll cut out this excess because it's too long. I'll cut it out from here. You cut it out, then this remaining one, you fold it inward like this. You fold it in like this. When you're done folding it in, then you secure it. Use your needle and thread, or you can use your pin. Secure it first before using your needle and thread. Okay? Use your pin, secure it first. So when you're done securing with your needle and pin, with your pin, you start sewing it. You sew it. Make sure you're sewing it very neat. Please make sure your finishing is neat. So you keep sewing it. You continue like that. So now as you're sewing it, make sure you sew together with your crown so that it will just stick there. You sew it together with your crown, okay, so that it will just stand firm on its own. Doing the same thing. You see how I did this one? You also do the same thing in this other side. You fold it around. Fold it around. Then you sew it. You keep sewing it till you get to the end. Make sure you're sewing it together with your crown. When you're done, you keep that one aside. Now let's move over to the loop. So you bring the other one, you trim out, which is the loop. I'm using it to form a loop. Make sure you remove the fishing line that was on it. Remove it so that it will be neat. Then you measure. If you want it to be long, fine. You can do it to be longer than this, like this. You can use this length. You can use this length. Whichever length you want, you go ahead and do it. Okay, so today I'll be using 13.5 inches. Okay, 13.5 inches. That's what I'll be using. So you can go ahead, you can make 12 inches, you can make 13 inches, you can make 10 inches depending on what you want. But in this video, I'm using 13.5 inches. So I'm going to cut this multiple times depending on how many pieces will come out in this my remaining material. That's what I'll use it for. Okay, so this is what I have. So with this other one, I cut out from the excess handle that was remaining. So I'm still going to use it and do the same thing. So now make sure you remove the fishing line that was here. Use your scissors, cut it out, or your razor. Then you drag. Since it's the same size, it's almost the same size, I'll be using it instead of cutting it out. I'll use the same length like that. You drag it out. Just keep doing it like that. See. Okay. So this is what I have gotten. Okay, I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you find out that this one is 2 in 1, you do the same thing, trim it out. So now I'll be using it to form a loop. Now when you see something like this, make sure know that this is called a loop shape. This is a closed loop, and this one is an open loop. Okay, so which other one you want, anyhow you want it. If you want it this way or you want it this way, you can go ahead and do it. So this one will be making an open loop. Then you secure it. Use your fishing line, or you can use your thread in this part. You can use your thread, anyone you want, that you know it will be very neat for you.